Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to a Sharp Focus featurette. We recently had problems with the handling of this duodiscus glider at the Sherlow Aerotow meet. So in this episode we're going to investigate the centre of gravity and tailplane incidents.
I'll put a link up here for that Aerotow event. But if you recall, I conducted the maiden flight here and I found it a real handful to fly, particularly in pitch, both on the tow and after release. I had suspected that the centre of gravity was too far aft due to the trimmed elevator neutral position being well down after landing. But as I had no information or instructions, I carried out an internet search through RC groups, which brought up a potential incidence problem with the tailplane along with the suggested centre of gravity. Then I checked the centre of gravity using this online calculator. Next I made this tool to check the angle of incidence. The 3D printed claws slide on the square section aluminium tube so that they grip the leading and trailing edges of the wing or tail. I put the digital angle finder on it to compare the angle between the wing and tailplane. I needed to make some thin washers from plasticard to bring the tail to wing incidence down to about 1.5 degrees. To check our settings, we trim the model for the cruise. We pitch down into a 30-degree dive and release the stick. If it tucks under, pitches down, then the centre of gravity is too far aft and you need more nose weight. If it remains at the same dive angle, then the centre of gravity is at the aft limit. But if it pitches up strongly, then the centre of gravity is too far forward and it needs less nose weight, like here. So I landed to make an adjustment. She was still very pitchy, as you can see from this approach, but this is already a big improvement. Over the next few flights, I repeated the dive check, tweaking the tailplane incidence or the centre of gravity bit by bit. These changes have dramatically improved the handling, and she's now much more forgiving during thermal turns, the launch behind the tow plane, and of course the landing. I hope you found this film useful and thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll see you again soon here at Scale Me Down.